Good morning and welcome to Heidi's home. Today I'm going to be starting my morning off with a little breakfast, some peanut butter and toast. I'm enjoying my coffee with my honey and it's a rainy day today. That's why you could see my covers for my outdoor chairs behind Ronnie because I bring those in on a rainy day. We just enjoy our morning together. Now it's time to get to work and I've got to make my bed. Everybody's been asking what I think about my new sheets, and I absolutely love them, and I highly recommend them from Aldi. I've got my bed made, and I tell you, when I get that done in the morning, it is a good feeling. I feel like I've already started a good, productive day. Now I've got a pretty leisurely morning this morning, but I'm going to take me a nice hot bubble bath. And into the kitchen I went, and I made my strawberry cream salad. I'll put the recipe down below. It didn't come out as pretty as I had hoped, but it was delicious. Now I'm trying something new, something easy that I picked up from the grocery store. It's actually a pie kit that's made by Jell-O. It is a double chocolate cheesecake. It was really, really good. Everybody seemed to really enjoy it, and it was very simple to make. You can see my pie shell there that I'm working on. Yes, this is the reality of doing a lot of cooking. I've got company coming over today. And there is my pie. I added some whipped cream to the top and some little mini chocolate chips. I just thought it needed something to look prettier. Now I'm going to start making my famous baked beans. I'll leave the recipe for these down below as well. I'm starting out with a pound of ground beef, 1 medium onion, and I'm just making sure that my ground beef gets good and broke up. And now I'm going to open my beans. I'm using 2 cans of pork and beans. I always make sure that all of my canned food is good and drained. And I'm also using a Bush's Original baked bean. And this is the large can. The biggest job about this is opening the cans. But I love this. This is a good crowd pleaser. It's great to take to a picnic. Everybody loves it. So I drained my hamburger meat and I'm going to add in my canned ingredients. There's my Bush's beans. I got this recipe a long time ago. The only thing that's missing in mine is I did not have a bell pepper, but it still came out really delicious and everybody enjoyed it. There goes in my pork and beans. Now you might not like pork and beans on a regular basis, but in this it is really, really good. It adds to it. I'm giving that a good stir. I'm adding in some ketchup. Some mustard if I can get it out. And then some brown sugar. I'm going to give that a stir. And that's all I add, and that's how simple that recipe is. And like I said, I never come home from a picnic with any leftovers. My father-in-law absolutely loves these beans. I'm just going to put my lid on and let it simmer. Now here's my ribs. They cooked all day in the crock pot, and then I finished them off in the oven. I made 4 racks of ribs. There is my beautiful baked beans. And we're finishing the evening out on the front porch. It was so nice. Now it's time to go to bed, and I realized that our refrigerator upstairs did not have any drinks in it, so I've decided to load it down. This fridge came from Amazon. If I can remember, I'll link it down below if any of you are interested. It is a beverage fridge. It is awesome. It holds about 32 bottled waters, but it holds a tremendous amount of canned drinks. But we only use it for water upstairs. That way we don't have to travel up and down the stairs. I missed one. There we go. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Good night.